Today, we dive into the exciting world of custom motorcycles with a spotlight on the Honda CRF1100L Type 22, a rally-prepped Africa Twin crafted by the talented Auto Fabrica brothers Bujar and Gazmend Muharremi. Based in the UK, these brothers have built a reputation for their distinct, retro-inspired custom builds, and the Type 22 stands out as one of their most impressive projects yet. The Honda CRF1100L Africa Twin is already a well-respected adventure motorcycle known for its versatility, reliability, and off-road capability. However, Auto Fabrica's Type 22 strips the bike down to its bare essentials and then dresses it anew with a classic rally bike style that's hard to ignore. From the very first glance, it's clear this isn't your average Africa Twin anymore. The original bodywork has been completely removed during the teardown, replaced by a stunning custom outfit full of retro charm. The centerpiece of this new look is the massive fuel tank cover, which is composed of two handcrafted aluminum sections. Beneath these panels hides a custom inner fuel cell that cleverly utilizes Honda's factory fuel pump and level sensor. This thoughtful design preserves the bike's functionality while elevating its vintage aesthetic. Moving towards the rear, the seat is a standout feature, generously padded and upholstered in luxurious red Alcantara leather. This rich red hue contrasts beautifully against the clean white and red bodywork. Beside the saddle, bespoke side covers add character and balance, while a sharp aluminum rear fender features an integrated LED taillight and turn signals, blending modern technology with the bike's old-school vibe. The front end receives just as much attention, with a high-mounted carbon fiber fender and a striking 3D printed headlight housing that instantly grabs your attention. This housing incorporates dual LED headlights and 3D printed blinkers, emphasizing the rally style while providing superior lighting performance. The original digital speedometer and TFT display remain intact but have been repositioned. The Speedo now sits behind the headlight nacelle, while the TFT screen has been cleverly relocated to the top of the fuel tank, enhancing the minimalist, rally-inspired cockpit. Underneath this stylish shell, Auto Fabrica retained the entire electronic suite of the CRF1100, skillfully adapting it to work seamlessly with the custom lighting setup. This marriage of modern technology and vintage design is a testament to the Muharremi brothers' engineering skills. But the transformation isn't just skin deep. The Type 22 benefits from significant mechanical upgrades that enhance its rally readiness. Both front and rear suspension have been upgraded with premium Öhlins components known for their superior performance and adjustability. This suspension upgrade promises improved handling and comfort, especially on rough terrain. Braking power has also been boosted by swapping out the stock front brake calipers for more robust Brembo units, ensuring confident stopping power to match the bike's new aggressive stance. While the engine remains untouched mechanically, the stock exhaust system has been replaced with a custom 2-in-1 titanium exhaust, which ends in a high-mounted cylindrical muffler. This setup not only reduces weight, but also delivers a distinctive exhaust note that complements the bike's rugged character. The finishing touch to this incredible build is the paintwork, a clean white base accented with red graphics that perfectly match the saddle upholstery. This simple yet elegant color scheme wraps up the project beautifully, highlighting the bike's sleek lines and retro rally inspiration. In summary, the Honda CRF1100L Type 22 by Auto Fabrica is a masterclass in blending classic rally aesthetics with modern performance and technology. It's a tribute to old-school adventure bikes while equipped with all the best components to tackle today's trails. For fans of custom motorcycles, adventure riding, and rally heritage, the Type 22 is a truly inspiring build that captures the spirit of exploration in style.